Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Preksha Akar, along with my friends Saswati, Parth, and Pratik, will be presenting before you all a short activity on valency. Here we go.
Valency is the combining capacity of atoms or molecules. The importance of valency are it helps us to understand chemical reactions and formation of molecule and compound. We can understand the change in reactivity with respect to valency.
Octet rule. The octet rule refers to the tendency of atoms to prefer to have 8 electrons in the valence shell. Thus, an atom continues to form bonds until an octet of electrons is attained. Such a configuration is also known as a noble gas configuration.
Demonstration. We will be showcasing valencies of different elements along with their symbols on separate placards. Each student will be holding 2 placards. Keeping the symbols in the place, students will crisscross their valencies to form formula of compounds.
Magnesium chloride is an ionic compound made up of magnesium ions Mg2+ and chloride ions Cl-. Magnesium ion has a valency or charge of 2+, whereas chloride ion has a valency or charge of 1-. The formula for magnesium chloride can be worked out as follows. Thus, the formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2.
We can work out the formula of water as follows. H2O is a compound made up of hydrogen and oxygen elements. So, we first write down the symbols of hydrogen, which is H, and oxygen, which is O. The valency of hydrogen is 1 and the valency of oxygen is 2. So, besides the symbol H, we write 1, and besides the symbol O, we write 2. We now cross over the valencies of H and O atoms. The formula becomes H2O. This formula contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Thus, the formula of water is H2O.
We can work out the formula of magnesium oxide as follows. Magnesium oxide is a compound made up of magnesium and oxygen elements. So, first we write down the symbols of magnesium Mg and oxygen O. The valency of magnesium is 2 and the valency of oxygen is also 2. So, beside the symbol Mg, we write 2, and beside the symbol O, we again write 2. We now cross over the valencies of Mg and O atoms. The formula becomes Mg2O2. This formula contains 2 magnesium atoms and 2 oxygen atoms, having a common factor of 2. So, dividing this formula by the common factor of 2, we get the simplest formula MgO. Thus, the formula of magnesium oxide is MgO.
We can work out on the formula of ammonia, that is NH3, as follows. NH3 is a compound made of nitrogen and hydrogen elements. So first, we write down symbols of nitrogen, that is N, and hydrogen, that is H. The valency of nitrogen is 3 and valency of hydrogen is 1. So beside the symbol N, we have written 3, and beside the symbol H, we have written 1. We can now cross over the valencies of N and H atoms. The formula becomes NH3. This formula contains 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen atoms. Now to conclude, an atom will always try to acquire an octet or acquire a state of stability by giving, taking or sharing electrons. The valency of an atom determines its combining capacity or the number of electrons it will gain, lose or share to become stable.